She sent a text on my phone, say she won't right all the wrongs. She sent a text on my phone, saying you didn't belong. She sent a text on my phone, can't be alone. She sent a text on my phone, she sent a text on my phone. So far away, but so close, I can hear your heartbeat. So hard to live, but so far, I've been learning hard way. She say I want you up under me, we play the house, gon' be jumping like bunnies. Baby, they come every day just from you loving me. We stay in sync, so them bots make me wanna sing. Highs got them butterflies, those I don't wanna bring. Don't get upset, fuck all the jealousy, let's get this bread. Say she ahead of me, send me a text, send me a text. It was all skin, say she all in. She just be tryna make up for the time we missed. Sin, set them all in, it was on 10. I just be tryna make up for the time we missed. I be praying, God, please hear my voice, singing angels to protect and watch over us. I carry the weight on my shoulders, cause God got us on the sand, we strong enough. Big question, has it been long enough? Our text wasn't long, but was long enough to see she alone, she don't wanna trust anybody who can afford just to fuck it up. She sent a text on my phone, say she won't right all the wrongs. She sent a text on my phone, saying you didn't belong. She sent a text on my phone, can't be alone. She sent a text on my phone, she sent a text on my phone. Text on my phone, nobody told you got your own song. Text on my phone, she said I was wrong, your presence belongs. Text on my phone, nobody told you got your own song. Text on my phone, text on my phone, text on my phone. Pray that she love who I'm gonna be. Text me, you be who you wanna be. Especially since you got tons of C1 in me, but it's so many you gonna reach. Successfully do it abundantly. She texted, it's already done to me. Calling me, blessings be coming in front of me. Money be stretching as long as it wanna be. You so far away, but so close, I can hear your heartbeat. So hard to live, but so far, I've been learning hard way. She sent a text on my phone, say she won't right all the wrongs. She sent a text on my phone, saying you didn't belong. She sent a text on my phone, can't be alone. She sent a text on my phone, she sent a text on my phone. She sent a text on my phone. She sent a text on my phone. Try not to think about it, too emotional. Don't wanna talk about it, it's too personal. All them emotions coming, yeah, I don't need that. Was like October song, still I can't believe it. She ain't get no time or nothing, wanna grind that SKIMS. He ain't get no justice, it was cold-blooded, like what were the judges? But I cannot judge him, the jury get bloody, then all of a sudden I start up, you pushing my limits, I'm pushing the button. No gapping, you snapping, no snapping, my do-rag in colors. The drop was my brother, a king, so I cry for my...
Okay, so I ran out of space on my card, but I was just showing you guys my nails and telling you that I'm not going to get my nails done. I wanted to give my nails a break because I've been getting them done for the last, it's so dark over here, almost a year. So, and they look a mess. So, I went to Walgreens and I got some press-on nails. What I call quarantine nails. So I got these in, I thought maybe it would tell you the color. Yeah, I don't know, but it's like a milky white. But here's the issue with these short nails. I have really long nail beds, as you guys can see, and oftentimes these just don't fit. They're too, what time is it? I got groceries coming. It is pouring outside. But yeah, they're usually too short for my nails, so I got 2 pairs just in case. I got these. These remind me of a style that I gotten last year just before Rona came in and ruined everything. The same tip, the white tip. So yeah, these are by Empress. Oh, I thought these were by Kiss. And these are medium, so these are definitely fit. And then I just got a file so I can file my nails down. Some bubbles, as you all can see, for my kids. And then I just got a Real Techniques buffer brush. No, I got this for my foundation. Do they have names or numbers? I don't know, girl. I guess this is the style, but I feel like I had this brush before. Y'all have so many brushes, but they're old. A lot of them are really old. I need to go through them. I can't open this with one hand. I need to go through them and get rid of them. Get rid of a lot of them because they are falling apart. But this Real Techniques brush, I like Real Techniques. Very affordable. So I think this will be good for my liquid foundation because most of my foundation brushes are broken. So yeah, that's what I got from Walgreens. I'm about to sit and do my nails so they can stop looking like this, like these. Okay. So it's like kind of exact. So it'll work. Let's see this one. Like barely. Barely, y'all. Come on, this thing. Focus game pisses me off. So yeah, I'm gonna do these. And I'm going to, it has some stickers. And the sticker, oh, it came with a file. The stickers normally work pretty well, but I'm just not. Oh wait, is this one different? Hold up. The only thing about press-ons, y'all, is sometimes they're wide. They're too wide. I'm gonna use this one. So they have a couple of different thumb options. The longer they get, the wider they get. I think, is that the same? No. Girl, they don't have numbers. Yes, they do. Alright, y'all, so my nails are done. It's been about 10 minutes sitting them. I always glue my hands, have blow over my fingers, like in your so I'm just gonna file them down. And then I realized I put these on the side, like nails, upside down. So when they pop off, I'll fix them. But it lasts about a good week before they start coming off. This glue is actually pretty good. I have so many, these glues are ridiculous, but yeah, these are kind of fun. Just gonna file them a little bit. First project of the day, done. All right, so I am going to try to turn this, we good? Brightness down. But what I'm doing right now is I am about to create a collage for my Like to Know It page. Like to Know It is basically what I'm going to start doing is sharing my favorite things, which I've been doing, but now I'm going to start linking them and making it easier for you guys to click a link and you know, go check out whatever the item is. So I'm making a collage for the Like to Know It. Like to Know It is basically like an app that influencers have access to, and we can save all of our favorite things there, and our audience can go and shop. I will put my Like to Know It down in the description. I'm working on it for you guys to kind of shop some of my favorite things. So anyway, at this point, I'm just removing, I'm in Canva, obviously. I will also have a link down if you are words, a creator, a business owner, you need to have Canva. And I'm going to put a link down in the description so that you guys can try it out for 30 days. If you had an old account, you don't have that account anymore, use a new email address and you can utilize and take advantage. Oops, I just messed it up. Take advantage of 30 days free. Okay, so that'll be linked down in the description. I messed that up. That was already done. Okay. So basically I just recorded a reel and I showed all of these products. So before I post a reel, of course I still have to edit it and write the description, whoop-de-wop. And so that'll go on my main page, right? And then people can go to my story and click the link in my story, which will take them to my Like to Know It, and you guys will be able to shop right from there. So these are the items that I featured in the reel. Y'all, I paid I think this went up. I paid $70 for this. This is the it's a Labo body oil, and it's expensive AF. It smells so good though. Ooh, but what I just had to go pull the picture. That picture is very dark. So let me see if I can brighten it up a little bit. First of all, this is very dark. My eyes. Anyway, it's hella expensive. So I'm having an issue with this one. This stuff right here is from Target. It's a room spray. Yo, when I tell you it smells like heaven, but it won't let me remove the background and keep saying it's not there. And I'm like, clearly the background is there. Okay, now you want to do it. Of course. All right, so now I'm just going to play around with how I want it to look. I don't know about this yellow ass. Let me see what color I want the background to be. And definitely not that. Should I just do white? Girl, I might end up just doing white. So anyway, I'm just going to let's see, y'all can't see. You done with school, poo-poo? Oh no. Don't break. Hold up. I gotta see, it still has some stuff. Okay, so let's go here. Try to erase what it forgot. I don't like doing this because I always mess it up. Make this smaller. I always mess it up, y'all. Dang. See, I'm not good at this part. My hands aren't steady enough. Damn it. Oh God, I just messed it up. Okay, let me try to put that back. Dang, Gina. Yeah, I totally and utterly suck at this. All right, y'all. So anyway, I'm gonna work on this and then I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, y'all. So I wanted to show you this. I ordered the wrong thing from SKIMS, but I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway. Try to do this with one hand. Yeah, I was trying to order the boxer looking leggings and just a cotton t-shirt, but that is not apparently what I ordered. So apparently this is the fits everybody legging, and when I tell you, girl, what I cannot put my finger on what this fabric reminds me of, but look at, can y'all see my finger? See, it's like a really thick pantyhose, and these were like, I want to say $48 or something insane. So yeah, that is not what I wanted, but it's definitely going back. And I also got the shirt. Yeah, not knowing any better, or I just rushed and ordered thinking, yeah, but look, you can see straight through that. So that's going back. I also have I'll show that. I also have something else in the car, but it's raining outside because apparently there's a tropical storm. So this is the other thing that I got. I already opened it, kind of. I just opened it to feel it, but it is the robe. I got the short robe. Yeah, and I think this is sienna, the color. Yeah, in sienna, and it is very soft. It is what I thought it was going to, or let me say this, it feels how I thought it would feel. Where are we going with this thread though? Wait, no, I'm kidding. But yeah, I got this in an extra large. I just freaking love the packaging so much. Only thing is, it's really short. I mean, I knew it was short. What is this? Okay, it connects the pocket. All right. But yeah, it's super short, y'all. So, and I'm very tall. So this is pretty much gonna look like a shirt on me. But I got the short one because I didn't want a long one. You know, I didn't want to be hot or whatever. But anyway, so that's what I got from SKIMS. I'll show you guys the other two pieces that I got. It's just the boxers and a tank. Whenever I go to my car. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that so I can actually start wearing this. But that is going back today.